Another day, another story. 10 money-saving hacks that will transform your finances. Hey there, savvy savers. Get ready to revolutionize your finances with our viral video. 10 money-saving hacks that will transform your finances. I'm Alec, your guide to unlocking the secrets of frugal living and maximizing your financial potential. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most incredible money-saving hacks that have been buzzing across YouTube and Facebook. In this video, we've curated the top 10 hacks that will help you save money, reduce expenses, and achieve your financial goals faster. Let's dive into the world of smart money management. Hack number 1, the power of meal planning. Discover how meal planning can save you time, money, and reduce food waste. We'll provide tips on creating weekly meal plans, making grocery lists, and maximizing your savings at the supermarket. Hack number 2, cutting the cord on cable. Learn how to ditch expensive cable subscriptions and still enjoy your favorite shows and movies. We'll share alternative streaming services and devices that offer a wide range of entertainment options at a fraction of the cost. Hack number 3, mastering the art of couponing. Uncover the secrets of extreme couponing and how it can dramatically reduce your grocery bills. We'll provide tips on finding and organizing coupons, stacking discounts, and shopping strategically to maximize savings. Hack number 4, embracing the second-hand market. Explore the world of thrift stores, online marketplaces, and consignment shops to find incredible deals on clothing, furniture, electronics, and more. We'll share tips on finding hidden gems and negotiating for the best prices. Hack number 5, automating your savings. Learn how to make saving money effortless by setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. We'll discuss the power of paying yourself first and how to make saving a priority in your budget. Hack number 6, DIY home repairs and upgrades. Save money on home maintenance and improvement projects by learning basic DIY skills. We'll provide step-by-step instructions for common repairs and upgrades, helping you avoid costly contractor fees. Hack number 7, unleashing the power of cashback rewards. Discover how cashback rewards programs can put money back in your pocket every time you shop. We'll recommend cashback apps and credit cards that offer generous rewards and help you maximize your earnings. Hack number 8, energy-saving tips for lower bills. Learn simple yet effective ways to reduce your energy consumption and lower your utility bills. We'll share tips on weatherproofing your home, using energy-efficient appliances, and practicing mindful energy usage. Hack number 9, negotiating lower bills and fees. Unlock the art of negotiation and start saving on recurring expenses. We'll provide strategies for negotiating lower bills with service providers, such as cable, internet, insurance, and more. Hack number 10, embracing minimalism and decluttering. Explore the benefits of minimalism and decluttering in your life. We'll guide you through the process of letting go of unnecessary possessions, reducing consumption, and finding contentment in living with less. And there you have it. The 10 money-saving hacks that will transform your finances and put you on the path to financial freedom. Remember, small changes can lead to big savings, so start implementing these hacks today and watch your bank account grow. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who are ready to take control of their finances. Together, we can achieve our financial. Thanks for watching.